Mastering can in passive voice. Expressing ability effortlessly. Hello language learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our Intermediate English Grammar series. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting topic. Using passive voice with can to express ability. By the end of this video, you'll be able to skillfully incorporate this grammatical construct into your daily English conversations. Let's get started. First off, let's refresh our understanding of the passive voice and can. Passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of an action becomes the subject of the sentence. On the other hand, can is a modal verb we use to express ability, possibility, or permission. When combined, we use the passive voice with can to express that someone has the ability to do something, typically when the action is more important than who is performing it. Here is the structure. Can plus be plus past participle. For example, this problem can be solved. Can in passive voice is primarily used in two situations. 1. When the doer is unknown, irrelevant, or obvious. The cake can be baked in a microwave. In this example, we don't specify who will bake the cake because it's not relevant or necessary for the point being made. 2. When the focus is on the action, not who is performing it. The test can be completed in 1 hour. Here, the emphasis is on the ability to complete the test, not on who will do it. Now that we know when to use can in passive voice, let's practice with some more examples. English can be learned quickly with regular practice. This room can be cleaned within 15 minutes. The report can be finished by tomorrow. Remember to focus on the action and not on the person performing it when using this structure. A common mistake while using can in passive voice is forgetting the be after can. Remember, the correct structure is can plus be plus past participle. For example, it's the book can be read in 2 hours, not the book can read in 2 hours. Another common mistake is using an active voice verb instead of a past participle. For instance, it should be, the movie can be seen at the cinema, not, the movie can be seen at the cinema. That's a wrap on our lesson about expressing ability using can in the passive voice. Remember, practice is key to mastering any new grammar point. So, try using this structure in your everyday English communication. Thanks for joining us in this lesson, and we hope it has been beneficial. See you in our next video, where we'll continue our journey to mastering English grammar.